In this lesson, we will learn how to apply multi-profile inside one part. Activate structural member tool. I want to start with angle iron and size I will go with 2 by 2. Select these top 4 lines. Now press OK. If I want to use multi-profile, in that case I have to take this structural member tool again. This time I will go with square tube, size 4 by 4. Inside this group, select these 2 lines, then press OK. But here you can see this orientation is wrong. Left click on this angle iron, select edit feature. Go to bottom, select locate profile and select this endpoint. Now press OK. And here we can see this orientation is fine now. Take this structural member tool again. Inside first group, select this 2 line, take another group. Inside this, take this 2 line, press OK. Now I want to apply another structural member which will be rectangular tube. Select 4 by 2. Inside group 1, select these 4 lines together. But problem is, you can see this length is 4 but this is 2. So I have to rotate this 90 degree. To rotate this 90 degree, go to bottom, change this angle to 90 degree. Press OK and this will align properly. So this is how you have to apply multi-profile inside one part file.